have three different types of problems. Okay? So it's all about where the lines intersect determines what kind of a problem we have. The first type of problem is when your lines intersect inside your circle, like this guy. So it says if two secants or chords intersect inside a circle, then the measure of the angle that's formed is half the sum of the measures of the arcs. That's just a mouthful. What does that really mean? So if I wanted to figure out what angle 1 was, I would take what arcs that are intercepted, so that would be AD plus BC, and add them up, divide them by 2, and that gives you the measure of angle 1. So when you're looking for an angle that's on the inside of your circle, you take those intersected arcs that are formed, add them together, and divide by 2. Yeah. That's an arc. That means arc. What would your intercepted arcs be for angle 2? Yeah, perfect. So you'd add those together and divide by 2. Let's try some with some numbers here. So we're looking for angle AED. So that's this guy right here. What would we do? What are your intercepted arcs? Yep. So 45 plus 109 divided by 2. So the math today is super simple. You're just going to either add or subtract now instead of divide. It's not hard math, just knowing what numbers to do it with. What's 45 plus 109? Yep. 77. Perfect. Does that angle look like it's about 77 degrees? Yeah, it's less than 90, but still pretty big. Yeah. STR. So that's this angle. You guys agree? Yep, 186 plus 112. What's 186 plus 112? 298, sorry. 5 by 2? Okay, let's just be smart. Does that look like it's about 149 degrees?
Yeah.
Well, it's definitely over 90, so we know what to choose. Yeah. Okay, now we have to work backwards to find an arc length. So we're looking for LK.
So 62 times 2 minus 70.
Yeah. You guys are all right. Let's just write it out in like an equation form so we can all see it. So if I call this x, I would have 62. That's your angle equals
74
plus x. Yep. Now we just work backwards. So how do you undo divide by 2? So those will cancel. What's 62 times 2?
124.
Yeah. Subtract over 74. 50. See, the math isn't hard, right? The actual mathematic part. Okay, so that was your first type. When your lines intersect inside Our next type is when it happens on the edge. Well, brownie points, if you can tell me what that's actually called. We've already done this. It was on Monday. This is a tangent. What kind of an angle would angle 1 be?
Acute.
It is acute.
Oh, minor.
The arc would be minor.
Supplementary.
An inscribed angle. You guys remember that from Monday?
What? Say that again.
An inscribed angle.
Right.
Yeah. So, like, if this arc was 40, how would you find angle 1? Divide by 2. So we've done this already. It's the same idea. So to find the measure of angle 1, you take its arc AB and divide it by 2. Same thing for angle 2, but you would take the big arc. So find the measure of angle DEG. What do you guys think? What would your arc be?
308.
308? Yeah. No tricks, it's that easy. 308 divided by 2. 154. Okay, start the next one. Maybe. Just try. See how it goes. So you could have done this 2 ways, right? You could have found this angle and subtracted from 180. Or you could have found this missing arc. That's how I did it. So I took 360 minus 192, 168, and then divided that by 2. What did you guys get for an answer? 84. Anyone not get it? Close.
Oh, I got it.
Did you get it? Okay, our last type is when it happens outside your circle, when your 2 lines intersect on the outside. So this time you're going to take your big arc, subtract the small one, divide by 2. The big arc minus the small, divide by 2.
What does the M stand for?
Measure. And measure. Big one minus the small. Okay, the first one's pretty straightforward. We're looking for angle.
Can you go back?
Oh, yep.
There you go.
Real nervous. Okay, we're looking for angle L. So I'm gonna take my big arc, which is 140. Subtract the small, divide by 2. If I subtract them, I get 74, right?
Yeah.
Divide by 2 and get
37.
37. I'm looking for angle ABC. The only problem is we don't know what this arc is. Can we find it though?
Yeah.
How would I find it? Yep, 360 minus 62 minus 88. Because I'm looking for this, I have to have this arc, right? I don't know what it is, but I know this part's 62, and this is 88, so what's left over of 360?
210.
210. So now we can take 210 minus 62, divided by 2. One 48 divided by 2 is
74.
74. Okay, you guys try the last one, get a head start. See if you can do it. Zach, do you already do this one?
Yeah. You want me to tell you the answer?
Not yet, but you can. What did you guys get for the ARC PR? 47. Now you can solve. $313 minus 47 is? Divide by 2. Good job. I have like 4 problems I want you to do on your desk. I got new markers for you, and let me know. Then I'll leave you alone. Okay, there is your first one. Have you already started it? What if I lost? What if I lost it again? That would just be the worst.
No.
Brendan, do you need one?
I got it.
Yes.
Yep, so you have to decide if you're going to add, subtract, or just divide by 2. That's like your first step. So where's your intersection happening?
Yes.
On the inside, so you have to add them. These are the first type of problems we did.
Oh my God.
Did you guys get 62 for this angle? But is that the one we wanted? It wants this one, so what do you have to do? Yeah. See, you guys are good.
So does it like automatically give you the bigger angle?
Yeah.
Like when you plug it in, like what angle does it just give you the bigger one?
Nope, it gives you whatever one that has the intersected arcs of.
Yeah, and then you just need to know the other one, and that's supplementary. So it's 180 minus that is that.
Yeah, but like when you type in it, it gives you 62.
Yeah,
You know where the 62 goes.
The 62
62 goes right
angle,
here.
and one of those two, and it doesn't really matter.
The angle we wanted was this red one right here. And I would need to know this arc and this arc to find it.
And then the other way would be the same.
He's gonna give you the sum of x, y,
X, Y.
So this time you're looking for an arc measure.
Oh no.
So first decide, is this an intersection on the inside, on the edge of your circle, or on the outside? So figure out what type of problem you have. On the edge. Now look at your notes. What did we do when we had it on the edge?
Is it?
What's the relationship?
No, you just by 2.
The 151 is the angle for which one?
Figure out what the big blue arc would be first. That's on the edge.
Yes, yes. 300. It tells us that 358. Are you trying to figure out?
Now you're trying to figure out x, y.
Isn't it just 58?
So would it be 58? 316?
That's it?
Yep. These are really hard ones. I don't know why I picked these. To stretch our brains on a Friday. Try this one. You have to find out what BD is first, that little arc, before you do anything else. That's your first step.
Isn't this the big minus small?
Yeah, this is your big minus the small, but you have to figure out what your small is first.
How do you figure that out?
Well, AB is a diameter, so that means all three of these would have to add to what?
180.
180. So now can you find out what BD is?
I feel like I'm gonna read. I don't know. Where's the math? Son?
180.
Oh, I know you
I don't know.
I'm thinking if you I'm gonna go post it.
We have to.
Yeah.
Do you want?
I want to go.
I don't want you to
post it.
No.
I'm
You want me
gonna
to come back
go
in?
great topic. Drink a whole new pound.
One goal.
24,
This is something that I can actually
19,
I'm gonna do it. But I'm probably not gonna.
work backwards to find SW. So set up your whole little equation, work backwards to find your big arc.
Yeah. Oh, I just did my work. Yeah, so it's close. I did it was around my break.
Remember, it's your big arc minus your small.
I did it wrong. I got started.
But I can't.
Okay, the next one's just like that for redemption. See if you can get this one by yourself. Last one.
Can I just tell you the answer?
No. Write down.
Can I write that in the notebook?
Sure.
Is it this?
Is it this?
Okay, it's done.
One thing and then I didn't write one. I wrote
You want it? They're all new.
I got my coffee.
I did this. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Like,
Good job, everyone. Proud of you. Move on.
Why?